的暑假，学校来了一群哥哥姐姐。
Shu Ren Primary School is located in Hangzhou, and students are migrant children. Every year since 2015, PolyU has sent about 90 students to serve the students of Shu Ren Primary School. This service learning subjects adopts the philosophy of positive youth development to build up the competence, resilience and aspirations of children and adolescents in need. PolyU is the first university in Hong Kong to make service learning mandatory for all undergraduate degree students. In the 4-year undergraduate degree programs, students must complete a 3-credit service learning subject to fulfill their graduation requirement.
The objective of this program is to develop the social responsibility, empathy, and the students' concern about the society. The program has been very successful, and we plan that we will further assess the impact of the program on the students, the clients, and the community. It's actually, we have just been to Xi'an, and we plan to launch another service learning subject in Xi'an in next summer, because we really want to serve those in need in the One Belt, One Road area.
Service learning is a combination of academic study and community service. Developing and implementing an effective, well-organized service learning program is not an easy task. To assess students' performances, a mix of assessment strategies and methods are used. The assessment criteria include class participation, service proposal, service performance, reflective journals and group presentations. This year, 82 PolyU students went to Shu Ren Primary School to serve 321 children. In the 6 months before the trip, they had to learn about service learning through the e-learning platform by attending preparatory lectures and seminars and preparing a service plan and teaching materials in Hong Kong. The students were divided into 16 groups. Each group took care of a class of about 25 children.
For this trip, I didn't know how to get along with those primary school students, but after I came here, I learned so much methods to get on well with them. So I think I improved my interpersonal skills.
I've prepared some PowerPoints and teaching materials and also my lesson plans for this class. And I have also prepared some gifts for students as a reward. And also in case the computers in class doesn't work, I have prepared some contingency plan.
Students were well prepared, and their university learning laid a foundation for them to prepare their service. They taught the local migrant children various subjects such as living English, interesting science, health education and personal development. They also organized the graduation ceremony. At this ceremony, the migrant children had opportunities to perform on stage. This was a meaningful and fun end to the summer camp. Our students showed kindness to the Shu Ren Primary School children, helped them to build a sense of achievement and develop their potential. PolyU students and the school children bonded and formed a strong relationship. They put their hearts into teaching, respected the children and interacted with them. They danced with them and sang with them. The show performances encouraged the children to enjoy the music, interact with each other and express themselves. Outstanding children also received a certificate of merit as a positive reinforcement. The school children found joy in what they did and built trust with the PolyU students. After spending so much time with the children, it can be hard to say goodbye to them. Reflection is an important part of any service learning experience. 29 postgraduate students from the Zhejiang University were invited to be observers to ensure the quality of the student service. In the daily reflection meeting, students shared what they learned, troubleshot difficulties, and brought their service experience into meaningful classroom discussions to better apply their education to the real world. And they took this valuable memory with them. At the end of the day, it isn't only the things they taught, the knowledge they learned, and the time they spent together, all that really mattered are the feelings and memories they made.